The 4th China International Consumer Products Expo is held from April 13th to 18th in Haikou, the capital city of South China's Hainan province. The 6th event will host over 4,000 brands from 71 countries and regions, which are expected to showcase their novel and upmarket products for global consumers. In addition to the main venue at the Hainan International Convention and Exhibition Center in Haikou, 3 sub-venues regarding sailboats and yachts, duty-free shopping, and international health have been set up in Haikou and Boao. More than 300 themed activities and featured activities such as new product releases will also be carried out.
It's the first time exhibiting in the Hainan Consumer Expo, and we are very much using this opportunity to here present us and also engage with Chinese consumers and business partners.
This is my first time, so I'm really pleased to be here. It's very exciting, and we've also come with a few other UK companies, so it's a great opportunity for us all to be together and work together to all develop the market for us in different ways. We are looking to do more collaboration with Chinese artists or brands, something that we will hopefully meet at the show.
We are here at this expo for the 3rd time. So this is our 3rd year that we bring Italian enterprises to exhibit some of their excellencies. Last year, Italy was the country of honor. This has prompted more interaction and also increased the trade between China and Italy.
Ireland is the guest of honor at this year's expo, with a dedicated exhibition venue showing the country's scientific and technological innovation, education, investment, tourism, and culture.
2024 is the 45th anniversary of bilateral diplomatic relations between Ireland and China. So it's a very auspicious year for us. So we're especially pleased to have the country of honour status this year. The incentives offered by Hainan and the Free Trade Court are very, very interesting to Irish companies, which I think is why we have seen such a big turnout of Irish companies coming to the Hainan Expo this year. And expos help facilitate people-to-people contacts. People get to know each other, they establish partnerships, establish linkages, and all of this can only help improve trade and investment.